In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track inventory and reordering in Airtable. To get started, open your browser and head over to the Airtable website. If you already have an account, make sure you're signed in so you can save your work. If not, you can still follow along, but you'll want to create a free account later so you don't lose your setup. Once you're on the Airtable homepage, look for the option labeled Templates and Apps. This is where Airtable provides ready-made bases you can use as a starting point, which saves a lot of time compared with building everything from scratch. Go ahead and click that. In the Templates search bar, type in the word Highlight. This will bring up a curated set of templates, including the one we'll be using for inventory and reordering. Give it a second to load, then look for the Airtable inventory template in the results and click on it to open the details. On the template page, you'll see an overview of how the base is structured. Here, click on Try this template. This will add a copy of the base into your own workspace so you can edit it without affecting the original. Airtable will open the base for you automatically. Inside the base, start with the product inventory table. This is where you'll keep track of all the items you stock, including quantities, pricing, and any reorder thresholds. Take a moment to scroll across the columns and get familiar with the fields, because this is the core of your inventory tracking. Next, switch to the Inventory Overview view. This gives you a summarized look at your inventory levels, so you can quickly see what's in stock and what might need to be reordered. It's a great place to check before placing new purchase orders. From there, click on the Product Gallery view. This shows your products in a visual card layout, which is especially helpful if you use images or need a more visual way to browse items. Now, look for the view called Group by Product Type. This rearranges your products so they're organized by category, like clothing, electronics, or any types you define. It makes it easier to compare stock within each type. You can also click on Group by Style to see the same inventory grouped by style or variant. This is useful when you manage multiple versions of the same item. Then move through the related tables. Warehouse locations for where items are stored, manufacturers for your suppliers, purchase orders to track incoming stock, and finally, sales orders to track outgoing stock. Together, these views give you a full picture of your inventory and reordering flow inside Airtable.